Yeah, ya waha yeni na ye ko school yeni na ye nim before na uguveo feel say uguveo niti go school we have intellectuals in us your doctors your nurses your teachers nti wo say you say and say perception na ngofo wo say wo zongo and that ugu mayafi go school no it's something that we have to remove from or demystify from the people's mind.
Yetu akase bono eso Mampeni abedreche Dr. Laji Mamudu Baumia nyansa container sabre wana masantimantem woto ne ho wobontoa ene ho kire Ghana fo na no kopie mu asantimantem na nanma infu bedwa no animu a ode ato o manim sese Ghana fo na dom to abama no a credit card system wode bi beba de aboa mabrochie obi akomu ano yantwi sika bebrebe we botom fanto bibie naja odo card no koto ade a ni atew kakra no sabi ne besie obetumi de atodan betumi di atoka ni nyina eye ne hihye bia igu akwam nansa ene wode ebom pro ewo asante emantem ose ahun hihye nyina woguso a woye de nipa benya your Ghana card and answer GPS mobile money DVR GRA ene bank accounts ene beboa amanka me koto de a se me pra me hu sika nyina akoto no ene afiri ho ama credit card system no ayedwuma
policy bi so a me pese me de ba no eye de Usha, Ghana, we work on a cash system. Bibia ya cash wa Ghana o. Ube to bibia ya cash. Abrochire de ya credit system. Ghana ya cash system. Ube sidanya just ushushe cash ako sidine. Ube to car ushushe cash akoto. Ube to TV cash. Bibia ya cash. Sano so a hiding. $1,000 were US because of credit. No, but me at Tonyema up to $10,000 with your $1,000. No way to yakakra. Ghana had 1,000 cities end of month po nasa no credit system. Enti me pese the credit system no eba Ghana.
Wei ayan hyehyeye abrochire de yade niam afire ene yade kyekere ho ahanso de ga wuta Ghana ma money na hand back na ground fabra na menyima ose ani nyina befiro wie na o kyerem se omzampu tudwuma wodo no na ekoso asantemantemu titru ni akwan wawie bi wo munwie bi obekoso abodwuma nyame ye na dom ne to abama no ade aka nyina da wo mo beye
wo ho wo Ashanti regional say ye especially your roads no sufficiently. So many places but me pese mumma mesiano mumfanshe mesem me shemo bose me yeni nyina amamo but ye share in another few weeks ye the machines eba every district benya grader benya roller benya tipper truck benya water tanker na ya start the roads no we are meba betwaso ya yebi yenye wie meba betwaso.
Wei Dr. Laji Mamudu kwabraje manyansa container nanumu asem enie wodwemtremu dwemtrani otiedwemu de mani disi chini amanyoko ni Ewura Johnson se dunkatia odi asembia tudwo a wokyerem se ukopiemu won kransan of abatompesua so a kokko board adwumayefo NMPP fo aseso o bag mama no mde wamne nam wo so mkoye voter transfer ni nyina dane se oba bi a wakura gina wo so wo primra chebedwa akonwa ewo MPP amanyokodi mu no wokuru ya adwuma okoko board nti ya twe adwumayefo ni nyina ase enkonkotwere wo mudin no sesa niema bi se kosoa enya de ebetumi aboa na wo kasa wo ma amanyokodi mvinhyedu asamienu o mpati atran kasiemu eno de sa asemi di ebetu mu se ye hwede ye kosoin ne mpanifo ko ma no tum din no manka bibi amfa ho a ebetumi akofa wo jammom enso etumi ede aba enti osere Ghana mpanifo won ma ka bi ewomuo se wo monka bi emfa de ye koso e won kransa no fo no so
create confusion to make sure that this our anniversary will not happen or it will be marked in controversies. All our attention will be drawn this morning to other debates that are completely irrelevant. But we have resisted that temptation. Let them continue lying. at the appropriate time, they will have their responses. But let me tell the peace-loving people of this country, the group of people we normally will call the conscience of this country, that our nation is not sitting well. We are getting into a crucial election, and all attempts that we have made to make sure that the election turns peaceful are being frustrated.
Yewura Johnson yesi edu nketia na kopiemu ewa Hafano South East. Abrante kwa bi o mvinhye aduasa. O kire misa protifo a kire no boni oye ye ne sei a wabodua. Na ebra sompa ye nua be mebinize usu ansa. Ene organizer wandisi amanyokomu honorable Adams. Twetwe nkomo no sei a abrante ne se wahunu sei aso nipa bi di o ma ba ho e ba be twiro wo mu di a wo mufte abato mpesua no so eno ne nam so a eno nti wo bodua yi sei ye ka sei ye said ne komankran so a protifo se wo mo a wo no munyemu enhwehwemu no bi bodua no so eche no
ya beswa na onim bo bi wotepa oni ne pa se bo ri tepa wonte ye mantemu a ana oba se obeye transfer ana obi so ana obi ote tepa de obeye transfer akoyi ana se ya bi na be fa no so me transfer no me to abama achi no se aso obi a wo ye ne ye tie district mountain mu de obeto abayi MPMI na eduru ayiso wa akwa tepa na mo yesi wo so tikase ne mo street nya gugugugu mo street na ikotara na ye nya bi ankanya na asemo a ono aka na kwa so onya na mountain to na so ye obebo ne dua obeya obebo dua no so ye ono nko a omodoso ana boy nko fa akosi ana obebo dua say so who free the city not because of obi interest in pinchi okofa say brabeto abawa and I want to the city so who free akwa na oti ha so want to ha dia obo
Intu TV ni so a ene oba ne bema NDC fo ene ye bodua no se obi a wontemansin no mu ya waba so wo ba beto wo betwere odi wo no wo ma bodua na na dodan kwa kufu adro akasa se de ekoso no kaso nte ya na oboa ni nyina da ene se ba bibia da mampani da Yewura John Dramani mama begura gina simpie ni apaso biada o se wo no wo ye credit agent obi wo na ba mu no okodi bone a na na dan kwa kufu adro dimrika be sanity sa wo ya no ene wo nyemfum so bia na wo kasa wo bra New Law House and crying, and I can see a woman we now what pound to man or the assembly a cocotumu, and also on the NSC or the Bay Juma, when I'm a membrane so rule of law, any I want to say be a so and what the Bay Juma, yes, will be back and be a great taking cree. Now a quack will be so to them, Nemranwa and Ebeye Ejuma.
So technology has been pivotal in our efforts to combat corruption. We have introduced digital platforms for public procurement processes, reducing human intervention and minimizing the opportunities for corrupt practices. These platforms have increased transparency, efficiency, and competitiveness in public procurement, ensuring that public resources are judicially used for the benefit of all Ghanaians. Before I conclude, Madam Chief Justice, ladies and gentlemen, I'm sure we are all aware of the statement by the former president and perennial NDC presidential candidate, John Dramani Mahama, stigmatizing me as the clearing agent, because for him, mere allegation without more is enough to merit condemnation of an accused public official, especially one of my administration. For my part, and let me state it again for the record, I will not set aside due process and the rules of natural justice on the always corruption.
Mampanyini na nado dankwa kwa kufuado ene yetene nkano na dwumadi ase ene ye maame o man yetemboafo pani Gertrude Tokunu enso de kan wo bia wo kire se atantrene ene atem woni mu adwuma betumi akonkan ngesi yesisi koto adan ko a ekotenten echensa etiebra yesi adan no kade ni nwanam bia betumi aboa mom dwumadi a wo mu die no etumi akonkan ni titiw na emu adwuma yefo no enso yade ehu ya pa o sese nyina kabom sa no a emadwumadi etumi konka edan hia wawi a wapa wontome 2001 ena wo frase se obesie ya na ke yewe kwan se 204 wobewie na no ena ye gife contract ansem na 2023 wamo san be sha ase anyame wawie edan no na wo kiremu achesa mampanifo be se 9 na form them Papa John Ajekumkufo Professor John Evans Tamils mampani Yewra John Dramani mana ma ene na nado danko akufo adoa ene adankora no said ye dan no net ye no kora na ye nwotwe wa ye ne se dua emu adampon ne eme ewom de no kuranie e yade a enika ye pa.
Persons present, access to justice goes beyond providing courts. But I can assure Mr. Ajololo that I'm not going to take this opportunity to take the shine off the Attorney General by talking about leading justice. Access to justice includes facilities for legal education, law reporting, facilities for law reform, facilities for legal aid services, and well-resourced professionals along all of the justice delivery chain. We are still left with providing fitting locations for the several needs of professionals in the justice delivery chain, and I am hoping that sooner than later we will be having another beautiful edifice close by to house the Council for Law Reporting, to house Legal Aid Commission, the Law Reform Commission, the Legal Service Board, and all of the agencies that feed into providing justice to this dear nation of ours.
We ya maame Chief Justice Gertrude Tokunu ene yetene nkano ene disi amanyokuo wadi mfinhia aduasa mienu enam so manra wabodwa trada o party atran kese ewo adabraka enkran na ukwa awon ma na ewo obie tuapemu ya wo tua Papa John Dramani ma pemu Professor Nana Jane opoku ageman na wase bi party dwam training Yewra Johnson sedu nkatia otwetwefo fifi flave kwete na wo munyina da ewo dwumadi no ase na bra fifi kwete ekasa en wo frɛ party chitafo nyina so munya wodokan emfama amanyokuo no na party no wo fradumu ekwa nwodimu ane ho aye den party se ementa na no ene beboa na ka wo munyina da nso abomu.
To remember the key pillars of our political party. We call it unity, we call it stability, and we call it development. But underneath all of that is a need for us to appreciate that, just as we sing in our revolutionary song, cadres may go, cadres may come, but the revolution has come to stay. Now it simply means that Jerry Rawlings came and left, Prof. Mills has come and gone, John Dramani Mahama is here today, tomorrow he will not be. So it is we need to appreciate that this party transcends every individual. So if loyalty to this establishment is not understood by us, what we do is simply pander to individuals, and that works against our party.
We ya chere for fifi frave kwete na wo wie ye ne Papa John sedu nkatia ensugu suada ya wo kasa se wo sha NPP amanyukwa wo madwen se wo de aban mu wo wo no e de be wie aba ye ba beto no soso emu na wo mo de abambofo awurawura me aye bia ense so odu mu wura e wa bato mpesua awodo no so ebi ni ensoko ya no wo bono emantam no soso emu enti NPP and Ghana for enhwe na wo mu nyina da nso nkasa ntia afi wa shen si echritafo nyina abo so mu nyina pintin no mo babam na wo ma babeboa wo mu ama wo mu komu so aha wo.
We are getting into a crucial election, and all attempts that we have made to make sure that the election turns peaceful are being frustrated. we warned against militarization of our elections. Today, even on the occasion of voter transfers, military men have been deployed in some constituencies, wielding weapons, trying to convert the citizens who bought the weapons and the uniform for them into the enemies of the state. Please, if there are any voices of conscience left in this country, this is the time for them to speak. As I speak to you now, Kwame Danson is boiling. There are pictures of marauding soldiers wielding weapons and harassing innocent citizens. Their only offense being ensuring that the voter transfer proceeds according to the laws of this country.
Obrai so ye frasi tutoi baby e betumi aboa we 21st clinic 15 branches across Ghana. Ya wanhwa overseas Kumasi ben Alpha Radio enkradome market echi eho ene gina oboase council contest chairman GN Bank da denim enkransa hinta da enso abronsanim ne ebuto ya topeti omamunu nyina 3 co capsules etu ayem timi ne ukoko na aboa wo ma osisi yade enso etimi afiri ho wo ye wo topon wo gya wade a eye mizo eno ene abusua no enchemfa sante ebo Benedict Nisemfo peniano pe kukua Veronica Jando ne trevidi na chima safo kantanka bo adwuma MCR ho edemaye ohini ni ama kranchada zo of mami premier ni madam nyina ase ama mo ache bru ye roma hene ya wadubu ache ebe me wiase nyina ache.
If I shop, I'm sure you're bad.
Brad, and not to give.
Not tell me what you see about Queen Wayne say.
Brad, said your time about Mister Essia Jimmy me fearful, and not the about ever so.
Really, I know this offending now.
Brad, and because I made the time about Mr. Huadancia, we are singing now about Timinka. It is some malaria, where do I need time about Mister?